This is one of our 5 Halton District School Board Calling All 3-Year-Olds open house events. Calling All 3-Year-Olds offers an opportunity for Halton families and children who are currently 3 years old who would be registering for kindergarten next year. Families are able to explore a kindergarten classroom, learn more about play-based inquiry learning, and connect with school staff, educators, community partners, and childcare providers to support them on their journey. Families who attend can expect to pick up information about the kindergarten program at the Halton District School Board, as well as receive a free picture book for their child.
So I got answered all my questions, and people are even asking like, are you okay? Do you have any more questions? And how can I give more support to my son? So all these questions got answered, and which is a great relief being a parent.
We invite Halton families to register for kindergarten at the Halton District School Board because our program establishes a strong foundation for learning in the early years in a safe and caring play-based environment. We value equity and inclusion where all families and children are supported and see themselves reflected within the walls of the kindergarten classroom and in the broader school environment. We view all learners as capable, competent, and rich in potential. We support the mental health and well-being of every student through the whole person approach. In our schools, we work together with students and families to create the conditions to elevate student achievement for all.